level as well as at the school level. But we need to emphasize the importance of implementation of those plans, the importance of closer to what is happening in the classrooms. Let us come closer to the programs. Let us ensure that our plans are talking to what is going to happen. It cannot be one size fits all. It must be a plan that is addressing your problem at your particular school, at your particular circuit, and ensuring that once the plans are there, they are not there to just develop for compliance, but they are implemented. You test the impact. Are they responding to your needs? What is happening? If you are not doing the impact analysis, you're not gonna succeed. So it's important that you listen today the presentation from the school principal's district director, giving us the report that says this is how I'm going to roll out my program in the current year, and this is what went wrong, and then the circuit managers will be behind them to support. So in the main, that is the purpose of today's meeting, because we want to see the circuits within this district rise, because we know there is huge potential in King Cetshwayo. We need to close those gaps and provide support to the schools and to the district that need support, and then we can shine, because I know King Cetshwayo can shine. You can be at like number 2, number 3 in the province. That is not a question, but we need to implement, we need to monitor, we need to support, we need to intervene, and intervene on time. As head office, you are available should you need anything, because we want to take the province forward. Yes, you are number 1 as the province, but one mistake, another province can become number 1. We don't want that. We need to defend our position as the province. We need to fight with every resource we have to ensure that we remain on top, and we work around the clock to move forward as the district and as individual circuits. So circuit managers, please ensure that school principals, they have the required skills and capacity, and they are supported. Come closer to them, and principals as well. Shout should you need help. Don't sit in your corner when you are frustrated, when you are not moving forward. Let us work as a team so that we bring the district forward.